Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. What I have today, guys, is a 2001 Silver Star 2-horse straight load gooseneck. So this is an all aluminum trailer. This trailer does have 2 full escape doors on both sides that do lock. This trailer does have a dressing room, spare tire, sliders on the rear, so it has a rear ramp that folds up over 2 50/50 doors. Right, so this trailer does have all the butt bars padded. The padding is in excellent shape. This trailer is fully lined and insulated. It does have fans. It does have roof vents. It is big and roomy in here. This trailer is 7 tall. So this trailer is 7 tall, 6'9" wide. The post looks to not be removable. The post is not removable, so I definitely want to point that out. Again, all the padding and all the bars are in great shape. This trailer has mats, but it also has a polylast poured floor. I'll try to show y'all the floor. So it actually has both. It is an all aluminum floor, skin, and frame. This one has a polylast floor put in it and mats on top. Just gonna step into the dressing room. They actually put the polylast in the dressing room as well. So you are able to hose it out. There's a drain, so you can actually wash out this dressing room floor, which makes it kind of nice. 2 saddle racks, bridle hooks, small blanket bar, and they put this in here so you can actually put storage up above and it doesn't slide out. So it's got these little boards to kind of do that as well. The ceiling in here is insulated, and it does have a roof vent. Sorry, it took me a minute to think about what I was trying to say. Also closed bar. So pretty good shape. Brush box on the door. All right, 2001 all aluminum Silver Star 2-horse straight load gooseneck. Super lightweight. Just spin around one more time to the back doors. Okay guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You all have a great day.